Hello, this is Ken from Easy Test Pool Supplies, sitting with Tim McDonough from Radiant for our yearly conversation about radiance. Tim, last year was a tough year, lots of rain, people crying out from the pandemic still. I know a lot of people don't want to talk about that. What is your forecast for 2024?
Well, I think all of us in the industry, in the professional industry, we're very excited for this year. Last year was a little tough on the weather. There was a lot of weather last year, rain and such, and so some pools didn't get built, and it wasn't. But now we foresee that there's going to be a little bit of a pent-up demand.
Absolutely.
So I think people are going to be really out there early, and they want to get their pools lined up to go, and. We from a supply side, we have product on the shelf ready to go, and we have very quick shipping. But of course, we have to adjust the schedule for as far as building and everything that you guys have to do.
Well, that's great. That's optimistic. I know that we have a lot of pools booked already. We're looking to take on some more. Tim, I really appreciate you coming down and your continued support, yourself and Radiant.
Thank you.
And here's to a great 2024.
Thanks, Ken. You guys too. Thanks. I appreciate it.
And thank you for watching.